The Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE Performance has been customized by Mansory, making one of the most unique and powerful automobiles in the Mercedes-AMG lineup even more desirable. A full carbon bonnet with additional air intakes and several lightweight carbon fiber aerodynamic components, including a new rear spoiler, are part of the vehicle's unique makeover. Mansory preserved the factory bumper, but they added many upgrades to the lower sections, including an apron. The Panamericana-like grille, which is adorned with their insignia, as well as the vented hood, which is on the OTT side, are also products of them. The beefier side skirts, new mirror casings, and even more aftermarket trim can be found on the front fenders. The rear bumper has new attachments, a more aggressive diffuser, new exhaust tips, a spoiler for the trunk lid, and a wing. The green color appears to be the one given by the aftermarket brand right out of the factory, complete with the stripe on the lower portions of the doors. Many yellow accents are present all over the place in this instance, including on the outside portions of the Mansory branded center caps that are a part of the new wheels. With the lowered ground clearance made feasible by the suspension adjustments, they are 22 inches in diameter and fill the arches better than the factory ones. Although much less striking than the outside, the cabin underwent some alterations. Mansory inscribed his name on the double-stitched grey and yellow upholstery. The dashboard, the area in front of the passenger, the steering wheel, the seat backs, and the headrests in the front and rear are all decorated with their insignia. Together with the variety of comfort, technology, and safety features that were factory installed, the customary amount of carbon fiber is present. The Mansory engineers have built one of the most powerful and torquey saloons ever, based on the engine of the Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE Performance. Following the conversion, remarkable 880 horsepower and even more impressive 1,490 Nm of torque are offered to performance-conscious clients. With a top speed of 320 km/h and a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of just 2.8 seconds, this saloon joins the exclusive club of truly high-performance cars. This performance data are always transformed securely and reliably into rapid acceleration and maximum dynamics thanks to extensive chassis modifications and 22-inch rims. Individual leather colors with freely chosen quilting, colored seat belts, floor mats, and sports leather steering wheels are all options for the interior that can be completely customized to the customer's preferences.